Locked out of your dream eBay find because your visa is outdated. Don't panic, stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to update your Visa card on eBay in just a few simple steps. First things first, boot up your computer and head over to eBay.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on My eBay. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Summary. This will take you to your eBay account overview. On the My eBay Summary page, find and click on the Account tab, usually located near the top of the page. Within the account settings, scroll down until you find Payment Methods. Click on it. Here, you'll see the Visa card currently associated with your eBay account. To update it, either click Edit next to the card if you need to change the expiry date or address, or you can click Remove if you want to add a completely new card. If you chose to remove the existing card, or if you simply wish to add a new one, click the button labeled Add Payment Method, then select the Visa card option. You will be prompted to enter your new Visa card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Make sure all the information is correct. Once you've entered everything, double-check all details and hit the Save or Submit button. At the bottom, you should see a confirmation message confirming that your Visa card has been successfully updated, and that's it. You're now all set to continue shopping on eBay.